You're looking at the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, and let me tell you, this car isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling statement of power, precision, and pure luxury. Mercedes has once again redefined what it means to travel in style. The moment you lay eyes on it, this car commands attention with a refined design that blends tradition and innovation like nothing else on the road today. The iconic grille is bolder than ever, with sleeker LED headlights that almost feel like they're alive. The lines are more fluid, the proportions more athletic, and every detail screams elegance. But the real magic begins when you step inside, open the door, and you're greeted by what might be the most advanced, serene, and luxurious cabin in automotive history. Mercedes isn't just selling a car, here they're delivering a full sensory experience. The moment you settle into the seats, it becomes clear that this is no ordinary luxury sedan. The 2026 S-Class introduces next-gen ergonomics with multi-contour seats wrapped in the finest leather and soft-touch materials that feel more like a private jet than a car. The seats offer enhanced massage functions, temperature control, and even postural support adjustments designed in collaboration with medical experts. And yes, of course, there's ambient lighting, but this year it's smarter adaptive lighting that changes according to your mood, your drive style, or even the time of day. It's almost like the car knows what you need before you do. Front and center is the upgraded MBUX Hyperscreen, stretching from door to door with sharper graphics, faster processing, and more intuitive controls. It's not just a display, it is a digital concierge. Voice commands have improved significantly. You don't have to shout, "Hey Mercedes," like a robot anymore. Just speak naturally, and the system understands whether you want to change the music, set the destination, or dim the lights. Rear passengers, they're not left out either. The back seats are now fully digitalized zones of their own, complete with screens, entertainment options, climate control, and even seat configurations fit for a king. The long wheelbase version offers reclining seats, leg rests, and even a refrigerated compartment. Yes, it's that kind of luxury. But the S-Class isn't just about looking good, it's also about driving better than anything else in its class. Under the hood, the 2026 model comes with a range of powertrains, from the ultra-smooth inline-six turbo with mild hybrid assist to the powerful V8 twin-turbo with EQ boost. And for those who want the best of both performance and sustainability, Mercedes is offering an improved plug-in hybrid version with up to 100 kilometers of pure electric range, perfect for city cruising without using a drop of gas. The transition between electric and gas power is seamless. You don't feel it, you just keep gliding forward in pure silence or with a low growl if you punch the throttle. Driving this car feels like operating a spaceship. The steering is incredibly precise, body roll is virtually non-existent thanks to active suspension, and the level of insulation from road noise and vibration is almost surreal. New for 2026 is Enhanced Road Surface Scan, which uses advanced cameras and sensors to read the road ahead in real time and adjust suspension settings before you even hit a bump. You're not driving over potholes, you're gliding over them like they don't even exist. And then there's the tech. The S-Class has always been a tech showcase, but the 2026 version takes it even further. Level 3 autonomous driving is now available in more regions, which means the car can handle stop-and-go traffic, lane changes, and highway cruising without constant input. You still have to stay alert, but for the first time, you can take your hands off the wheel with confidence. Safety features, they're smarter than ever. The car will now detect distracted driving, emotional stress in your voice, or even microsleep patterns through eye tracking, and it will alert you or gently bring the vehicle to a stop if needed. Mercedes is thinking about your safety in ways you haven't even imagined. Connectivity in the new S-Class is seamless. Whether you're using Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, or Mercedes' own app ecosystem, everything is lightning fast and integrated. You can even sync your smart home devices so you can turn on the lights, start the coffee machine, or close your garage door from the driver's seat. There's even a digital key function now that uses your smartphone or smartwatch, so you don't even need a physical key anymore. Just walk up to the car and it unlocks automatically. Hop in, push a button, or not, if you prefer gesture controls, and you're on your way. But beyond all the specs, the numbers, and the features, the real reason the S-Class stands out is the feeling it gives you. There's a certain calm confidence you feel behind the wheel. A feeling of knowing that everything around you is built to serve you quietly, efficiently, beautifully. It's not flashy or loud. It doesn't need to be. The S-Class knows its worth, and anyone who rides in it immediately knows it too. Of course, this level of refinement comes at a price, starting just north of $120,000 and climbing rapidly with options. The S-Class isn't cheap, but then again, it never was. And in 2026, that premium feels more justified than ever. You're not just paying for horsepower or heated seats. You're paying for craftsmanship, innovation, and the kind of engineering that makes other automakers take notes. Mercedes-Benz has taken everything they've learned over a century of building cars and distilled it into a single flagship that represents the future of mobility. So whether you're being chauffeured in the back seat or you're the one behind the wheel, the 2026 S-Class isn't just a Karitzen experience, a technological marvel, a design masterpiece, and a reminder that even in a world of electric crossovers and autonomous pods, there's still a place for pure, unapologetic luxury, and Mercedes. They're still leading the way. So, would you take the keys to the new S-Class, or are you still waiting for something better? Because if this isn't it, I don't know what is.